Hi, today in front of me ZTE Blade A72s and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So we should first open the settings, then tap to the sound section. After that, here scroll down to the ringtones, and here you'll see all the ringtones. So here we got notifications on. Now we have selected the default one. We could switch it to one from these available sounds, then just tap to OK, go back, and that's it. So we could see that we just successfully changed notification sounds on our ZTE Blade phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.